Birla Public School, Ganganagar organized a vibrant special assembly today, presenting by Class 3rd B, celebrating talent, unity, and enthusiasm. The program began with an auspicious lamp lighting ceremony and a warm welcome to our respected principal, sir. Students presented the word of the day, thought of the day, and importance of the day, followed by an inspiring speech on the theme Act of Kindness. Little deeds, big impact.
Kindness means being helpful, caring, and friendly to everyone. A kind person uses good words, shares with others, and makes people feel happy.
The assembly featured an energetic skit, a captivating dance, and a melodious group song. Fun games for parents added excitement, and the event concluded with a group photograph capturing beautiful memories. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.